There are people who go through life, and there are people who live life. Doyen lives life with gusto. If you're with Doyen, you're along for the ride. And thank goodness I got chosen to go along for the ride. There is a Japanese saying, Ichigo Ichie. And what that means is once in a lifetime, a one-time meeting of people that will never happen again. So as we enjoy this beautiful place and we have fun with our family and our friends and our co-workers, let's just stop for a moment to enjoy this because it will never happen again. Ichigo Ichie.
I want to toast them to an amazing life ahead with adventure and love and prosperity and everything that your hearts desire and all the magic in the world because you two deserve it. And I'm so lucky to be your friends and I love you so much. So here's to the Orens.
I promise to love you, only you, and cherish you.
I will be a companion to you.
I will be a companion to you.
I will share my strength.
I will share my strength.
And also my achievements with you.
And also my achievement with you.
For better or for worse.
For better or for worse.
Richer or for poor.
Richer or for poor.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
For as long as we both shall live.
For as long as we both shall live.
Thank you again, everybody, and I hope you enjoy the party and the food. And the last word, I thank you, the God. Julian and everybody come here today, and again, I thank you, and the audience. Thank you.
I give myself to you
To be your husband.
to be your husband.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
you will never walk alone.
you will never walk alone.
Doyen, I love you with all of my heart.
Doyen, I love you with all of my heart.
Thank you so much for loving me.
Thank you so much for loving me.
Far and wide, I see them searching day and night, spend their lives looking for just a little bit more. Open the sky, pull down the moon, aim for the dark, looking for the truth. But for me, all I know is it's always been you.
You are two of my favorite people in the world, and I love you with all my heart. May your life together be full and happy forever and ever.
As you sit side by side through the roller coasters of life, remember to scream from the peaks, hold hands through the dips, and laugh through the loops. Enjoy the twists and turns as the ride is more enjoyable together. May we all raise a glass for the bride or groom.
love the way Jeff and Doyen are when they're together. I love the way Doyen has made Jeff so happy. I know that they belong together. I wish them all the best that life has to offer.
Best thing ever.
Here we stand, the world awaits. We'll let the stars tonight light the way. Hand in hand, through light or rain. It's your constant love that gives me strength. Under the starlight, we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can't go.
Thank you so much for having all of our family here. I think we've all just been delighted to be here with you and share this moment with you. Thank you so much. Here's to you.
Under the starlight, we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can't go. 'Cause this is the start of something beautiful. Something beautiful.
So ladies and gentlemen, please stand and welcome into your life now as a husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Orion.